Students, welcome to our video lecture. In the previous lecture, we have done questions 3 and 4 of exercise 1.3. Today we are going further. In the last lecture, students, I have explained you Fisher's index number is called an ideal index number due to 4 reasons. First, it takes into account the base years as well as current year's quantity. It satisfies 2 important tests, which are the test for good index number, and those tests are time reversal test and factor reversal test. Third, it is the geometric mean of last year's and partial index number. And fourth, it eliminates the demerits of last year's and partial index number. So the question is in the form: find the ideal index number from the following data for the year 2015. Ideal index number is nothing but Fisher's index number. Now students, once again I am laying out the table, and I told you, be very perfect when you prepare the table if the unit is other than 1. Now let us check. The given items are A, B, C and D, and then total. The unit is very important. 20 kg is multiple of kg, so smallest unit is 1 kg. Now students, pay attention here. The quantity is given in terms of dozen. So instead of writing per piece, instead of the unit as 5 dozen, the smallest unit is 1 dozen. Then a kg, and then 1 liter. This all of you carefully observe. Why I have written dozen? Because quantities are already, students, given in terms of dozen. Students, quantities are already given in terms of dozen. So students, I have written the unit in terms of dozen. Now, the next columns are P0, Q0, P1, Q1. Now students, here we don't have to find last year's and past year's index numbers. So directly write the ideal index number or Fisher's index number is as below. The formula is IF is equal to square root of sigma P1Q0 upon sigma P0Q0 into sigma P1Q1 upon sigma P0Q1 into 100. 100 will be right outside. So the next 4 columns in this chronology, P1 with Q0 and P0 Q0, P1 with Q1 and P0 with Q1. This we have to remember. So total we will have 10 columns in this question. Now students, I told you, we write price given divided by unit given and make the columns of P0 and P1. This I am explaining since last lecture. So, price for basic 20 kg is costing 120 rupees. So, per kg 120 divided by 20, so 6 rupees. Then 5 dozen is costing 120 rupees. So per dozen 120 divided by 5, so 24. Then 4 divided by 1, so of course 4. 5 liter is costing 52 rupees. So per liter 52 divided by 5, so 10.4. this total we don't require. Then Q0 no change, but first let us write P1. 20 kg is costing 280, so per kg it is how much? 1440. 5 dozen is costing 140, so per dozen how much? 140 divided by 5. So this 140 divided by 5 is how much? 28. Then per kg 8. 5 liter is costing 58. So per liter is 58 divided by 5, so 11.6. Quantity as it is 10 kg, 3 dozen, 5000 gram is definitely written as 5 kg because this unit is kg, and 15 liters. Same way 15 kg, 48 piece is nothing but 4 dozen because unit is dozen, 4 kg and 20 liters. Now students, we go for the multiplication and make the next column. P1 Q0, 14 times are 140, 28 into 3, 8 3s are 24, so this is 84, 8 5s are 40, and 15 into 11.6, 15 into 11.6 is how much? 174. And this total, students, is how much? 438. Okay, P0, Q0, first of all, 6 tens are 60, 24 3s are 72, 4 5s are 20, 10.4 into 15 is 156. And this total is 308. Then P1 Q1, 14 into 15 is how much? 210. Then 28 into 4, 112. Then 32. And the last is 232. And this total comes out to be 586. Now P0 and Q1, 15 6 are 90, then 24 4s are 96, 4 into 40, 160, and 10.4 into 20, so it is how much? 208. Total is 410. Now we have to only find Fisher's index. So this value, if I substitute 438 upon 308 into 586 upon 410, 100 is outside. Simplifying, students, the answer comes out to be 142.57. Multiply this 2, then divide it, then take square. So students, the Fisher's index number comes out to be 142.57. Students, a similar sum we have in exercise 1, that also we are doing, students. So all of you please pay attention. Sum number 3 of section F, page number 54. Section F, sum number 3. Exercise 1, section F, sum number 3. Compute the Fisher's index number from the data given below about 6 different items. So this is a bit long sum. So space is an important criteria to be maintained. A, B, C, D, E, F, and then students we go for total. Now unit 20 kg is a multiple of kg. 1 quintal is 100 kg, so it is a multiple of kg. Then kg, then liter, then meter. And here I am taking one piece because the quantities are given in piece. Now, students, price we have to divide by the unit and write. So 2013 is base rate, 600 divided by 20. So it will be 30. Then 1600 divided by 1 quintal is 100. 1600 upon 100, so 60. Then 60 divided by 1 is 60. 52 divided by 1 liter means 1 is 52. 8 divided by 1. Now 1 dozen is costing 30 rupees. 1 dozen is costing 30 rupees. So per piece 2.5. And this we don't total. Okay students, now pay attention. Now students, I am writing current year's price 880 divided by 20. P1 880 divided by 20, so 44. Then 2400 divided by 100, so 24. 75 divided by 1, so 75. 32 divided by 1, so 32. Then 12 divided by 1, so 12. 36 divided by 12, so 3. This also we don't total. Now students, quantity as it is, base quantity 5 kg. Then 10 kg. Okay, 1200 grams is 1.2 kg. Then 30 liters, 12 meters, and 20 piece. Same way Q1. 12. Again 12. 2000 grams 2 kg. 36 liters, 20 meters, 16 piece. Now students, simply we have to multiply and write. Come on, P1 Q0 44 into 5. So it is 220. 24 into 10. So 240. 1.2 into 75. So 90. Then 32 3s are 96. So 960. 144 and 60. This total comes out to be students 1714. Now P0 Q0 35 are 150, 160, 12 6 are 72. Then 52 into 3, so 1560, 12 8s are 96, and this is 50. So this total comes out to be 2088. P1 Q1 44 into 12 528. Then 24 12s are 288. 75 into 2 150. 32 into 32 into 36 is 1152. Then this is 240. 16 3s are 48. So this total comes out to be 2406. Then students, P0 and Q1 30 into 12. So 360, 16 12s are 192. Then 60 into 75. 60 into 2. So 120. Then 52 into 36. So 1872. Then 8 into 20, so 160. And this will be, last will be 4. Last is, you can say 2.5 into 60, so 40. And this total, students, comes out to be 2744. Yes, substituting the values. So this is square root of 1714 upon 2088 into 2406 upon 2744 into 100 and simplify, and students getting the final answer, it is 84.84. First time we have got an answer below 100. It means that economy is sound. If index number decreases, students, then economy is sound. So this completes our, you can say, question number 3. Now students, we come back to exercise 1.3, question number 6. Exercise students 1.3, we come back to question number 6. And this type of questions are being very, very important. Here we have to change the title. So I am erasing this formula. Now we are coming back to exercise 1.3, sum number 6. Obtain Pasch's and Fisher's index number, but let us obtain all three. It is only asked Pasch's and Fisher's, but let us find all three. The table to obtain IL, IP and IF is as below. Now students, concentrate. Here the column of unit is not given, so we will eliminate the column of unit. Let me erase this one first. I am going to explain something different. Now students, here we have to understand one formula, and that formula, students, is the formula for total expenditure. Total expenditure equal to price per unit into quantity of consumption. Say for example, this will be of course in rupees. Say suppose daily your family requires 2 liters of milk, and 1 liter of milk is costing say 60 rupees, so total expenditure will be 60 rupees into 2, and that is how much? 120 rupees per day. And monthly it will be 120 into say 30, then it will be 3600 rupees. So total expenditure is always price per unit into quantity of consumption. That much easily students you can understand. So here we are not given unit, so in this type of sum we don't have to worry about unit, but out of these 3 quantities, let us number this as 1, price as 2 and quantity as 3. Out of these 3 terms, any 2 terms will be given. Check. Here we are given price, so second, and total expenditure, so first. Quantity is missing. Check in the question. Question number 6 students, exercise 1.3. Find the Parsons and Fisher's index number for the year 2015 with the base year 2014 using the data given below. So out of these three terms in the formula, left hand side is total expenditure, right hand side is price per unit into quantity of consumption. So price is second term, quantity is third term. Out of three terms, any two will be given. So to find quantity, I have to divide total expenditure by price. Right. So the first column I am writing is again of items. No unit is given. So P0, Q0, P1, Q1. Okay, how many items are given? 5. So A, B, C, D, E, and then total. Price is already given 100. Base year is 2014. Then again 100, 150, 180 and 250. Now I am writing current year's price also. 120, 120, 160, 200 and 300. Now to find a quantity, divide total expenditure given in the question by price. 400 divided by 100, so 4. Quantity is equal to total expenditure divided by price, divide 1 by 2. Then 500 divided by 100, so 5. Then 600 divided by 150, so 4. Then 1080 divided by 180. Okay students, just a minute. I have already written this in advance. Okay students, then 1080 divided by 180, so 6. And then 1000 divided by 250, so 4. Same way 720 divided by 120, so 6. 600 divided by 120, so 5. 800 divided by 160, so 5. 1000 divided by 200, so 5. 1200 divided by 300, so 4. That's 65554. Now students, simply operating the columns. But let us write the formulas beforehand. The formulas to find index number are as below. First we will write IL P1 Q0 upon sigma P0 Q0 into 100. Then IP sigma P1 Q1 upon sigma P0 Q1 into 100. Find IF is root of I into IP. So which are the next four columns? Now all of you know. P1, Q0, P0, Q0. P1, Q1, P0, Q0. Now P1, Q0, 120 into 4. So 480. Then 600. Then 16 4s are 64. 1200. And 1200. So this totals to 4120. Then P0 Q0 400. This is already given in the sum. 400, 500, 600, 1080 and 1000. So students, this totals to 3580. P1 Q1 720, E1 600, then 800, then 1000, then 1200. So P1Q is 4320. And last is P0Q 600, 500, 750, 1000. So this totals to 3750. Okay, first I am finding IL 4120 3580 into 100. Students, okay, unfortunately students, I have not calculated this, students, so I think you can calculate it at home. Then IP, this will be 4320 3750 into 100, and this comes out to be 115.2. Students, I have forgotten to calculate this. You can multiply and easily calculate, and final answer of IF comes out to be 115.14. I am writing it. You can calculate only those students because I have forgotten to calculate IL. Now during the lecture I can't use calculator in simplifying, so I request you to simplify IL and then substitute and get the answer of IF. So this is what, students, is the question. So today we have learned a new formula, students, and that is this: total expenditure in rupees is price per unit into quantity of consumption. This formula, students, will write in your fair book as well as textbook. So students, this completes our last 4 sums of exercise 1.3. First 2 sums are of a different concern. This I will explain along with 1.4. That is why I have not done the first 2 sums, students. So in today's lecture we have done these 3 very important sums. Students, do these sums twice. We conclude the lecture. Thank you.